In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Epic Games account email quickly and easily. Verifying your email is an important step because it helps secure your account, confirms ownership, and makes sure you can access all the features tied to your Epic Games profile. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Epic Games account page and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on your account, look carefully at the bottom of the screen. If your email address is unverified, you should see a yellow notification letting you know that verification is needed. This message is important because it tells you the account still needs confirmation before everything is fully active. In that yellow notification, click the link that says "Click here to resend." When you choose that option, Epic Games will send a new verification email to the email address connected to your account. Now open your inbox and look for the message from Epic Games. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes verification emails can take a few moments to arrive, and they may also end up in your spam or junk folder, so it's always a good idea to check there too. Once you find the email, open it and look for the button or link that says "Verify your email." Click that link to confirm your email address. After that, your Epic Games account should be verified successfully. If everything worked correctly, you can return to your account page and confirm that the warning message is gone. And that's it, your Epic Games account is now verified. This only takes a minute, but it can save you a lot of trouble later by keeping your account secure and fully set up. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.